Birds flying high, you know how I feel.
Wow, aga, goosebumps agad. Woo! Well done. You know, ang suwabe lang. Tapos talagang yung tindig niya. Inaral yung pagiging pogi. Kailangan pogi ka dito, sabi ni Coach Carl. Ay, ni Mentor Carl.
Sun in the sky, you know how I feel.
Grabe, no? Like, yung enunciation niya is 100%. Tapos, literally, he knows what he's singing. He knows the meaning of the song. And it radiates sa performance niya talagang. You know, it came out natural for him to like have that stance and then stage presence. So, well done.
Breeze drifting on by, you know how I feel.
You know how I feel. You know, simpleng ganun lang talaga yung lakas ng dating eh. Talagang nakapaka-swagger. You know, talagang may swag siya. Tapos yung accent niya pa, just wonderful and sarap sa tenga. Napaka-swabe lang din ng vibrato.
It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me.
Oh my gosh, talagang tumataas yung balahibo ko dito. Talagang grabe, alam mo yon. Ganda ng instrumental, ang ganda. Tapos sasabayan pa ng performance niya, talagang swabing-swabe lang. Puging-pugi eh. Grabe, pogi at ang sexy ng mga talagang little movement niya na gano'n. Talagang angas eh. Woo!
For me, and I'm feeling good.
The slide. The Pogi slide coming in at 100%. Nice one. Swagger. I don't know anong nangyari. Like may hiccup doon sa good part. Or baka masyado siyang na-excite talagang, you know, sa sobrang inatupag niya yung stage presence na ihawin niya kaagad yung mic. So, you know, just like a normal, you know, performance na may mga ganong mangyayari. Very inevitable. And so, mapapagbigyan. Like, we can set it aside. Ang importante is yung, ano niya, yung Pogi slide. Doon tayo, mag-focus.
That's when you shine, you know how I feel. Set of the pine, you know how I feel. Oh, freedom is the mine.
Freedom is mine. Grabe. He did what his voice can. Importante yung malinis yung execution. Ang importante may stage presence. Ang importante yung body movements niya is very like natural lang. And grabe, swagger talaga. Daming babae. Talaga. Grabe, kikiligin sa kanya kung nandun ka lang sa live eh, no? Like, oh my gosh.
And I know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life.
Okay. Medyo nabawasan yung ano ko dito, yung excitement. Yung umpisa talagang iba eh. I don't know, but still good, you know.
It's a new dawn.
Yes! Oh, wow! That was so natural there. Napaka-suabe. Swagger. Ah. May kilig eh, no? Like, nakaka-proud lang. Ang galing. Alam mo yun, pinatunayan lang na deserving niya yung spot na yun, na pinili siya. Talagang, great job! Tinakinggan ko ulit. Taas eh! Uy! Uy! May high note po. Si Alexander, ginalingan niya po. Talagang nagpaulan siya ng high note dito po. Ang galing! Ang sarap ng high note na. Talagang, ulitin mo ulit. Ganda. Galing.
And I'm feeling good.
Oh, grabe yung ending. Tapos yung pag-ganon niya. Woo! It's getting hot in here. Wow, nakaka-believe talagang. Alam mo, kaya napansin ko yung mga fans, nakikita ko, nakikita ko sa live chat talaga. Grabe yung kaba nila na baka mapili to si Alexander. Kasi talaga nakakaba naman talaga eh. Kasi ang galing ng performance niya. It's not the usual like humongously noted areglo out there na usually yun yung talagang inaareglo sa kantang to, no? I'm feeling good. Kahit ako kinaan pa ito and I'm trying my best to find ways I could reach the highest na mailalapat ko ng maayos and precisely deliver. Yung kanya meron naman, may high note nga eh, pero iba pa rin yung iba talaga na I can remember ibang klase, si Adam Lambert, talagang, yun yung talagang you wanna look up to kapag kaantaan na I'm feeling good, grabe, like, rock at its finest, theoretical na rock, na talagang intense, grabe, but, it's, erase, going back kay Alexander, he uniquely did his own version of it na kung ano ang kaya niya at may ibubunga naman, may ilalaban na kakabahan ka talaga. Kasi, again, palinisan yung palinisan yung labanan and then pakabugan kung paano i-deliver. And, you know what? I wanna say, this is 10 out of 10. Kung ako ang sa apat, nandoon kaabahan ako kay Alexander. Really though, I wanna commend na binigyan niya na magandang laban yung dalawa, Bron and Jenica. May kaba factor talaga. Minsan kailangan din natin yun eh, pero nakakahinayang lang yung talent ni Alexander. And ginanglingan din kasi ni Coach Tel yung coaching, diba? Yung areglo is perfect. Talagang inakmasa kung ano lang kaya ni Alexander. And then, believe me, yung stage presence, the stage performance, that is, I'm speechless. Ang galing. Really, kudos kay Coach Tel. Iba ka. Anyhow, what you think? Leave your comments below and follow me for more.